And here we go again with some more cases. Now, apart from when things are subjects and objects in sentences, cases also turn up after little words called prepositions. Now, there are going to be 2 screencasts on this, and this is the first part. Let's have a look at our first set. First of all, there is a set of prepositions which are followed by the accusative case. So let's have a look. They start with these letters. They start with fudgio, and hopefully that little rhyme or that funny little word might help you remember these. Fudgio. F stands for für. U for D for durch, G for gegen, E for entlang, and O for ohne. So the deal is, when you see these, you have to have a light bulb moment, and you have to think, aha, after these, I need to use the accusative case. So, let's have a look at those forms in the accusative again. There they are, remembering that the masculine ones are the ones that changed from the nominative. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Here we have a sentence. Wir gehen durch something park. Okay, so, here's our preposition. We know that durch is one of our fudgio prepositions, so it's followed by the accusative. We know that the word park is masculine. So, therefore, den. Wir gehen durch den Park. We go through the park. Okay, second one. Here's our second light bulb moment. Ohne, without. Must use accusative case. Let's look at the rest of the sentence. Ohne something Lampe schlafe ich nicht. Lampe is feminine, as indicated by the red colour, so therefore eine. So without a lamp, I don't sleep. Okay, so 2 prepositions that are followed by the accusative case. Here's the second set of prepositions, and these ones are this time followed by the dative case. And the funny little rhyme this time is Herr von zu Schnamberg. Okay, so the first 2 are there for you. Von, from or by, zu, and then the ones starting with these letters, S for seit, N for nach, A for aus, M for mit, B is bei, the second A for außer, and the G, gegenüber, opposite. And just note with gegenüber, it's often a preposition that follows the noun it goes with. Okay, so again, light bulb moment. We see one of the Herr von zu Schnamberg prepositions, and we have to remember to use the dative case. How did those forms go? Here they are. Okay, and that's just a table you need to get in your head. Some examples. Wir fahren mit something Auto. Our first aha moment, mit. One of the Herr von zu Schnamberg prepositions, therefore followed by the dative case. Auto is a neuter word. Das becomes dem. Wir fahren mit dem Auto. We travel by car. Second example, nach, after. Means we have to use the dative case again. Schule, in red, feminine. Therefore becomes dir. Nach der Schule machen wir Hausaufgaben. After school, we do homework. So, watch out for the prepositions. Know which case each takes, and then it's easy. So remember, accusative prepositions, fudgio. Dative prepositions, Herr von zu Schnamberg. Okay, that's the first lot. See you next time.